Hello and welcome to the video. This is a very quick video to raise awareness of something that's just got into release candidate. It's a brand new ground control station called Kite Ground Control. Now, the Kite GCS has actually been in production for a little bit of a while. It's actually the guy behind it, a guy called Mark Hoffman. Mark's a lovely guy. I've done videos with him in the past. He's part of the INAV team, very active over there. A very, very smart guy. Now, the cool thing about Kite GCS is that it's there to support both INAV as well as things like Ardupilot, and it has loads of additional features. And the reason I'm making this video now is just a couple of days ago, it went into release candidate. So it isn't finally out, but you can download it and have a go. So I'm just making you aware of this. I'll put links down below so that you can go and check it out. With it being a release candidate, Mark has asked me to kind of ask, if you do try it out, please give feedback, both positive and constructive, but also if you find bugs, then report them as well. I'll put a link to the GitHub site, so if you do find issues, you can let Mark know. Really interesting GCS here, and as it finally goes into release, I will probably do more videos on it, how to set it up, how to use it, etc. But it's really fun to see a new GCS that's coming at it with a fresh pair of eyes, rather than some of the older ground control software, things like Mission Planner, for example. It's been the same way for a couple of decades, probably at this point, and probably if you were designing it from scratch now, you'd probably tackle it a different way. So thanks for watching. Good luck, Mark. I will be playing with it myself over the next few weeks, and when it's gold, we'll circle back and I'll actually talk and show you how to use it for those that are new to using GCSs. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Painless 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.